Coral reefs are an extremely diverse marine ecosystem that are referred to as the rainforest of the sea. Almost a quarter of all marine organisms rely on coral reefs for food and shelter. Not only are they important to ocean life, but humans also rely upon them as well. Their value is estimated to be approximately $30 billion as they provide food, jobs through tourism, and even medicine. Up to hundreds of thousands of individual organisms called polyps can make up a reef. They primarily eat zooplankton and small animals. Climate change is a major threat to coral reefs. Corals can't survive if the temperature is too high. When they overheat, corals react to the stress by expelling their algae, which is known as coral bleaching. Bleaching leaves corals vulnerable to disease, stunts their growth, affects reproduction, and can impact other species that rely on their community. Overfishing leads to the decline in fish populations, which impacts dependent human communities. All creatures have a role in the environment. If there are too few individuals in a species, it could disrupt the balance of the coral reefs. Urban and industrial waste, sewage, chemicals, and oil pollution are poisoning reefs. These toxins are dumped directly into the ocean or are carried by river systems. Pollutants like sewage and runoff increase the level of nitrogen in seawater, causing an overgrowth of algae. Coral mining is another large threat. Live coral are removed from reefs and used as bricks, road fill, or cement for new buildings. Corals are sold as souvenirs to tourists and to exporters who don't know or don't care about the longer-term damage. Parrotfish are found in coral reefs and are most well known for their beak and unique coloring. They primarily eat algae that they rip off of coral. They grind up the coral in their throats in order to get the algae polyps inside. Because of this, a lot of the sand around them is actually ground up coral that they excrete. Clownfish live within anemones and are able to withstand the stinging tentacles. Scientists think this may be due to a protective mucus that coats their body. Sponges filter the water around them and help lower nitrogen levels around the reefs. Conserve water, recycle your trash, and spread the word so that we can all save the reefs.